You've probably heard the news. The average 30-year mortgage rate in the United States recently surpassed a whopping 7.6%. It's the highest it's been since December 2000. Ladies and gentlemen, the situation is dire. What started as a mere annoyance has now expanded into one of the most significant asset bubbles in financial history. Today, we'll delve into the reasons why this housing market crash is inevitable. To truly understand the bubble, we must adjust for inflation. That $200,000 home you bought in 2000? Well, it's worth about $356,000 in today's dollars. So, while it may seem like a gain on paper, it's not a real gain. The inflation-adjusted Case-Shiller Index provides a more accurate view of real home prices. As you can see, we've surpassed the levels seen during the 2008 bubble, which was considered monumental in U.S. history. Interest rates have been steadily declining for the past 30 years. This trend set the stage for the 2008 housing bubble, but that's not where the story ends. The Federal Reserve played a crucial role. After the 2008 bubble burst, they continued to suppress interest rates, setting the stage for a new bubble. From late 2011 to today, real home prices rose a staggering 66%. Now here's where things get really concerning. The inverted yield curve, where short-term interest rates are higher than long-term rates, has historically been a sure sign of an impending recession. Every time this happened in the past, a recession followed. It's like clockwork. Just look at the early 80s, 90s, early 2000s, 2008, and 2020, all followed by a recession. Now, let's zoom in on the current situation. As of 2022, we've witnessed an even deeper inversion. But here's the kicker. The real pain usually hits after the curve moves back into positive territory. The connection between all of this and the housing market is clear. As the Fed raises rates to combat inflation, they risk creating a housing market crash. That's when something in the market will give. Folks, the housing market is like a house of cards, and rising rates are like gravity. When something breaks, it will bring down this massive structure that's been building since 2012. Now let's talk about how this housing market crash will affect homeowners and investors. For homeowners, rising interest rates may lead to higher monthly payments, potential foreclosures, and a glut of homes on the market at lower prices. And for real estate investors, it could mean falling property values and challenges with rental income. So there you have it, folks, a detailed look at why we believe a housing market crash is on the horizon. The signs are there, and it's crucial to be prepared. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay in the know. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay informed and stay ahead. If you enjoyed this video, then click on the video on your screen now to learn 8 simple tips to build wealth fast.